cheese toasty time. I've got the tuners on. I don't really know what to do, but what I'm thinking, Gouda, jam, chili. Do like a chili jam type of thing. Bread, obviously that's a key ingredient, we got that. What else do we need? Toaster machine, got that. Yeah, I'd be such a crap vlogger, wouldn't I? Might look like I'm going overboard on cheese, but that's a good thing, because what we both found is that both of our cheese toasters that we've done so far have had no filling in, so it's been a bit crap. So I'm going to go totally overboard. In fact, I might just put 2 slices of bread in between cheese. That might be a good idea. Ah, secret weapon, by the way. Forgot the secret weapon almost. Brioche loaf. Gonna slice this up, put it in the cheese toasty. So you've almost got like 2 sandwiches. Bread, cheese, brioche, cheese, bread. I don't know about you, but soundtrack-wise, I think it's very important when doing a cheese toasty. I always like a little bit of Q-tip to go with my cheese, because I'm so street. Now I'm going to mix the jam with the chili. Not really sure how thin to cut this. I think I need to like halve that, maybe? Try it. I'm going for technical points. Of course, if you don't have Q-tip to make cheese toasties too, I can also recommend De La Soul. They work just as well. You don't need to see me buttering, do you? Not good content. Secret ingredient. Oh yeah, get some jam on that. I don't know if that's actually going to fit in the toaster maker. It's huge. It's very fat. Okay. A little, oh no. Not enough cheese. It's in. I haven't really thought about presentation, so I might make some more of that chili jam. Save it with that. Maybe a plate. I feel like that always says class when you serve food on a plate. I learned that in a really nice restaurant I went to once. It's always a nerve-wracking bit. Oh, that's alright. Right, let's see how she's doing. Oh my god. Oh, done yet? Nah. Oh my god, so cheesy.
Cheers. What we got?
We have got...
What's it called?
Oh, it's called Sweet Hottie.
The Sweet Hottie.
The
Is it
Sweet
going to be
Hottie.
spicy?
Might have
I'm feeling it's spicy.
Presentation's shit.
The presentation's really nice. What are you talking about? I mean, it looks rustic. Oh, look all that cheese.
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 I'll let you have a bite before I tell you what's in it.
Okay.
Let's see if you can... I might just get a knife so you can cut through it.
Jam for a cheese toasty. How interesting. I've got to try it and then you're going to tell me.
Then I'll tell you what's in it. I don't know if you'll have to guess.
I'd quite like to be able to guess. That's very interesting. It's sweet, but savoury.
Should be enough cheese now. I've got a whole block of cheese in.
Did you? So I think it's some kind of, yeah, like cheese and jam. Cheese and strawberry jam.
It's Gouda with homemade chili jam.
You did not.
But I don't know if you'll be able to taste the secret ingredient in there.
Chili, You made chili jam.
I mean, I mixed chili flakes with jam. I thought I put too many chili flakes in, but I can't. There's no kick to it.
It's the weirdest combination. So here you can see the filling in this one is great. There's like a good substantial amount in there. This is probably the cheesiest one we've had so far. So you can see a layer of brioche here, but it seems to have like melted. It's very nice. It's definitely got a kick and it's very sweet, but I think the jam overpowers the taste of the brioche maybe.
And the cheese.
And the cheese, yeah. God, I would never put cheese and jam together. So for the sweet hottie, we're going to score it. Aroma, I couldn't really smell anything.
What?
I couldn't.
That's the best smell out of all of them so far. If you go in the kitchen.
I'm going to have to go in the kitchen and smell it. 1 second.
Talking about.
Aroma 5.
Why? If you don't smell it, why have you given it 5?
4. Technique. I thought actually the technique was quite good because you added brioche in there and you mixed chili with jam, and they're kind of two things that are quite technically interesting. Can I give it a 7?
Yeah, you can. I'd say 6.
Texture 7.
7?
Yeah, you gave my sloppy Kate a 7. That had all the texture in it.
Didn't have any cheese in it though.
If anything's gonna be, I was gonna give texture a 7.
Really?
Yeah. Fill. There was a substantial amount of fill in there. There was a good amount of cheese, a good amount of jam, and they...
Too much jam.
Oh no, I'm gonna give that an 8. Nice appearance, looked like a nice toasty. It was definitely seeping, and but I like the little pot of jam. That was a nice touch.
Too much bread on one side as well. Wasn't perfect looking toasty. I'd give that a 4.
Taste. I liked the taste. The cheese worked really well. There was a lot of jam, so it's very sweet, more than savoury. 5? Is that really harsh? What would you say?
I'd give it a 2.
What? No, it still tasted great. It wasn't disgusting. And uniqueness. That was super unique. I'd give that an 8 for uniqueness. 42. How's that?
Bad, isn't it?
My sloppy Joe, which I quite enjoyed, was 46. So it was very close to that.
I think you were too kind.
Huh?
I think you were too kind.
42. So the sweet hottie.
The sweet hottie scores 42.
Scores 42 out of 70. Would any of you guys try this toastie at home? Let us know. Send in your pictures. And we'll see you in a second. See you in a second for my round of round 2. Today is my second round of making a cheese toastie, and I'm very excited because I've chosen to make another savoury one. I'm going to be making like a meatball marinara cheese toastie. So my ingredients are beef meatballs. I got some mozzarella slices as well as grated mozzarella because I want this to be super cheesy. Might add some Gouda in as well. And I've also got some arrabbiata sauce. So I'm going to prep the meatballs and the sauce. Okay, so I've cooked my meatballs and they are simmering in the pasta sauce. That looks like this. I've also cut them all open so they're a little bit like thinner than just a normal meatball because I don't want to overfill it. And I'm going to layer up all my components now. I buttered the other side. So let's do this. I'm gonna do a slice of mozzarella, maybe 2 slices on each. I want to go all out with the cheese because I didn't add enough last time. I'm gonna add some grated mozzarella, and then gonna add a layer of meatballs and then another layer of cheese. If that isn't enough cheese, I don't know what is. That is so much. No, it's not closing. Oh no. Oh fuck, oh no. Guys, this is like a crime scene. Look. Oh my god. That was a fail. I'm really upset. It's hardly even a toasty. It's not sealed. All the cheese came out. That was the biggest disaster. I'm really sad.
Try it again.
Look, it's open.
That's all right.
So this is my saucy meatball marinara. Ready?
I'm ready. Meatball marinara toasty.
It's not going to be very nice.
Maybe
Sauce, I think, is too saucy. But I mean, you can't say that there's not enough cheese in that. You can't. There's so much cheese in that.
It's got the stringiness in the cheese.
Slices of mozzarella and grated mozzarella. Do you like it? You can wait for it to cool down.
That's perfect.
Right. We are about to rate my meatball. I can't remember what it's called. Aroma.
9.
Really?
Smells great.
Was it? I didn't smell it. Technique.
Talk me through your technique.
I fried my meatballs. I made sure to squash them quite flat so I could cut, and then I cut them open as well when they were flat, so they weren't that thick, which was a skill. I heated the sauce up, and I layered cheese, meatball, cheese.
Technique was great, but I think because it opened,
yeah, wasn't good enough.
Wasn't good enough. So 5. 5 technique. Texture was awesome. 9.
Oh wow.
It had the crunch. It had like the soft cheesiness with the stringiness.
Yeah, it did.
The meat was great, perfect. So the texture was great.
Thanks. Phil.
A good amount of cheese, even though like quite a lot escaped.
I feel like the fill, rather than the actual fill, is the filling.
Like the kind of filling you.
Yeah.
I thought the fill was great. 8 on the fill.
Appearance.
2. Taste was great.
Was it? Really? I don't think it was that great.
You didn't like it?
It was a bit bland.
What would you give it?
Maybe a 7.
Right, 7.5.
And uniqueness.
I'd call that pretty unique.
Hmm.
I've never had a meatball marinara toasty before.
Mm-mm.
Me neither. So, uniqueness. I mean, you know, like we can't give it a 10 because you could do like quail's egg and fucking human cheese, and that would be pretty unique.
Human cheese! Babe, that's so grim.
But that would be more unique. So
Yeah,
I'd give it an 8.
Cool, babe.
Go on, give me the figs.
Right, 9,
Mm-hmm.
5,
Mhm.
9,
Mm-hmm.
8,
Mm-hmm.
2,
Oof. Yeah.
7.5,
Mm-hmm.
8.
48.5.
Really?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, you know what this is? It's drawing with something. I think appearance, even though it was really messy, it looked appetising because it was so dirty looking, wasn't it? Yeah. So we are drawing with your first one, the apple one.
But this was round 2.
Yeah.
So you
Oh, so I've won.
you smashed it.
I've won a round. Whee! I'm well happy now. It's 1-1 on the toasty competition. But G's just asked if we could revise the appearance because he thought it was a little bit harsh.
No, never.
We're in a really funny mood today. So what are you scoring it to?
3.
Wait!
Because I feel like for a 2, I think the appearance would have to be smashed to bits.
And
or
also,
it would have to look.
It would have to look really unappetising.
Like I don't know how worse it could look for it to score a 1. Do you know what I mean? Like it would have to be really bad.
It would have to be like not toasted, like just wet bread.
Yeah, exactly. That would be a 1. So like yours is definitely a 3.
So it's 3. So now I'm scoring a 49.5. Who's going to be the first to reach 50? That is what I want to know. with your quail's egg and human milk.
Quail's egg and human cheese on mouldy bread.
That's so gross. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this second toasty video. If you would like to watch the first, I'll leave a link down below. If you have any other ideas for either of us for toasties, let us know. And I'll see you next week. Bye. Got to do the second thumbnail.